Well, ho, ho, ho. The holiday season is just about upon us. In fact, tomorrow it will be Thanksgiving in the United States. So I have been working on my yearly alcohol ink ornaments and getting some of those commissions out. I'm going to simulate today what it would look like to do a kind of a side project off of it. What I will show you here, these are ornaments that have just been dipped in a little bit of alcohol ink as opposed to covering the entire ornament. And this was my motivation for trying some more abstracted designs. So what I have done here is I poured on some boysenberry Ranger, and I'm going to go ahead and squirt a couple drips of 91% alcohol to give me a little bit longer working time. This is just a white glass ball. You could use plastic, put a little acrylic in the middle, swish it around. It would be white just like this if you can't find white glass. You could use colored glass. You can do just about anything you want. I just have gotten hooked on these, so I tend to use these a little bit more. So all I'm going to do is take this into the purple, and I'm going to get some coverage. I'm just going to swirl it around. Make sure the parts that I want done are done. Then I start to take it around the middle. I'm not worried about a clean line. If you want something with a clean line, you could actually put a piece of tape down. And there you go. There is the first layer. I'm going to set that aside and let it dry, and then I will come back with layer number 2. For the next part, I'm actually using a different alcohol ink. This is a Pinata ink from Jacquard Products, and it is their Real Gold. It's my favorite gold. I'm going to kind of do the same thing and create kind of a puddling on the plastic. And then I'm going to take my ornament that is mostly dry. We're going to see how this works. And I'm going to go ahead and add some gold into the bottom. I'm not going to tip it up and show you, just know that the gold has mingled, and I will show you when it is dry. Okay, so I'm back. I allowed the alcohol ink on the ball that I did in the first 2 segments to dry. So you will see it is very similar to the one I showed at the very beginning. We're going to move now into adding some abstract markings to it, but I'm going to show you a couple of the ones that I did to kind of start the project out. So this one uses, you're just looking for some sort of an abstract stencil. So this one primarily used this one, and you can kind of see the areas that I chose to use. And I just went back over, kind of went all the way around with them. I then went in with another one that had some organic circle shapes. Really, really liked that. And then finished it off going back over with a third stencil. I believe it was this one, a third one to do a little bit of the gold. The nice thing about this is that the golden iridescent bronze matches the pinata really, really well. So you can bring out the gold from the bottom just to have a more cohesive look. So there's that one. Here's another one that I used I believe I used a lot of this one on this. This is I wanted you to see these are very thin lines, but the thin lines come out very well with the acrylic. We're going to be moving into acrylic paint now. So I liked how that one turned out. And then the last one, I kind of played around with scale. So I had some of the larger organic circles and then mixed it with a very small scale stencil and did that in gold and in black. So I'm going to go ahead and take the one that is ready to go, and I'm going to kind of speed up. I think I'll do that as a hyperlapse, the stenciling, so you can see the complete job and it won't be such a long video. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a wonderful, happy, and very, very healthy, magical holiday season.